Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, LIS Expert. Now, I am going to discuss in this video the further detail about the digital librarian. In my last video, I have already discussed some details about the digital librarian, but now we are going to another topic on the digital librarian. So now I am going to discuss about the digital librarian job duties. A digital librarian typically he has a wide range of responsibility which can include organizing digital library collection databases by tagging, cataloging and creating metadata using industry standard software programs. Second, establishing policy regarding copyright law, fair use of copyrighted material. Third, analyzing users' need in order to recommend improvements to existing digital library service or development of new services. Fourth, maintaining an inventory of digital library resources and ensuring that they are available to user when they need it. Fifth point is conducting research assistance to patron by answering questions regarding how to use digital library resources. And sixth is developing training material for staff on the use of digital library resources. Seventh is participating in community events such as workshop, public speaking engagements to promote the digital library offering. 8 point is developing policy and procedure for managing digital library collections. Now come to the digital librarian skills. I am again repeating that the next point is digital librarian skills. In last topic I have discussed the digital librarian duties, and now I am discussing digital librarian skills. Digital librarian have technical skills, problem solving skills, communication skills, organization skills and research skill. I am again repeating, digital librarian should have 5 skills. First is technical skills, second is communication skill, third is problem solving skill, fourth is organization skills, and fifth is research skills. Now come to another topic, digital library work environment. Digital library work in variety of setting including traditional library, museum, archives, corporate library. They may also include information technology department, publishing companies and government agency. Many digital library work in offices, but some may work remotely using computer network to connect with the colleges and resources. Now come to the digital library trends. ठीक है, now come to digital library trends. I am discussing this topic, digital library trend. Here are the three influencing how digital librarians work. Digital librarian will lead to stay up to date on their development, to keep their skill relevant and maintain a competitive advantage in a workplace. First skill, the need for more technical skills. I am again repeating, first trend skills is the need for more technical skills. Second trend skills is the emergence of data science. Second trend skills is the emergence of data science. Third trend skills is more collaboration with other professionals. Third trend skills is more collaboration with other professionals. How to become a digital librarian? That is the next topic, how to become a digital librarian. A digital librarian career can be incredibly rewarding. It offers the opportunity to work with a variety of technology, solve complex problems, and help people find information. However, it's important to consider the many different parts that exist within this field. You could specialize in a particular field such as digital preservation or metadata management. You could also choose to focus on a specific type of content such as music, video, text. You could decide to become a journalist and work with all types of digital content. No matter which path you choose, it is important to stay up to date on the latest technology and trend in the digital library world. So this is a video all about digital librarian, in which I have discussed the digital library duties, digital library skills, uh, digital librarian work environment, digital library trends, and last is how to become digital librarian. So this is a video all about further information on digital librarian. If you have any doubt, please give to me your comments in a comment section. I will definitely reply to it. And please subscribe my channel too and like my video also. Thank you so much friends and have a nice day.